kind of scared to go take pictures because, guys, it is straight snowing outside. I went through the 7 levels of the candy cane forest. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12! Today, as you guys can tell, it's so gloomy outside and I hate it. But I will be opening like 2 packages. First package is from Drunk Elephant. I am a huge fan of Drunk Elephant. They have such good skincare products. Have you guys done all of your guys' Christmas shopping yet? I'm definitely not done yet, but I have no idea what else to buy like my friends and family. Ooh, Drunk Elephant always has the cutest packaging. We have the Bouncy Bright Facial. Okay. What else? What is this? Whoa, I got a huge Rubik's Cube. Oh my god, this is cute, but I don't know if I would use it. I'm not good at this stuff. Yes! Sunglasses! Did they send me this or did I buy this? Wait, did I buy this? Oh! So when it was Black Friday, I ordered stuff from Pretty Little Thing. I thought I didn't because I went back on the app and it said I had stuff in the cart. That made me think, oh, I forgot to purchase it. But now that I think about it, I actually did purchase it. So this is a gift to myself. But I do have a collab with Pretty Little Thing soon. So that's why I thought that this was from them. Anyways, okay, let's see what I got myself. I love shopping on Pretty Little Thing because they always have deals. If you guys check quite often, they're always having like 40% off everything. Yeah, oh my god, bruh. I'm trying to wear these going snowboarding or something. Oh my god, fashionista, I love it. Oh, these are sick. This makes everything look green. I'm a huge fan of wearing lilac, so I just thought these would be really cute for a picture. This top, whoa. I also got the other colorway. I genuinely have no idea why I would order socks, but I guess I got socks. I love socks anyways. A brown micro skirt. These micro mini skirts are my fucking favorite. They just make me look so good. I got the matching top. Oh, cute. I think I got all of this from the clearance section because I'm cheap like that. Cute. This black top. This is super cute. Cute little halter dress moment. This is a top that you wear like this and you tie that. Cute. I also got the pink version of that top. This is so cute. It almost looks like lingerie. Next up, I got this white leather looking corset top. I feel like this is not gonna fit me, but I feel like I could get a cute picture in it. So I got the blue version. Now this one is beautiful. Cute little daughter. So I haven't taken a picture for Instagram in a few days, so I'm going to just take some pictures. I got these earphones from the thrift store. I don't really wear headphones, but like I just wanted to get it for the pictures because it's trendy. Just wearing this dress. I actually cut it up, so it came from a different dress. This shirt was literally like $10 and I turned it into something. Hi guys, my dad is vacuuming. Anyways guys, here's my mom. Recently we've been painting a lot, so we painted this room. It used to be gray, and then we painted this room. Years ago, it used to be red, and then we painted it gray during COVID, and now it's this beautiful color. So we're planning to do lots of renovations with this house, but for right now, we're gonna be renovating quite a bit of area space. I will show you guys. So this restroom right now, nobody's using it, so we're gonna actually be renovating this, and this is gonna be the restroom for the guests, but also this is gonna be my main bedroom, restroom when I move in. It's pretty big. Like, this is a really big bathroom, and it has really high ceilings. It's not currently being utilized for anything. It's gonna get a makeover. When you come over here, envision this, guys. It's really messy. So over here, you see this room. You guys have never seen this area because nobody lives over here. That's the bathroom, right? It would enter into this area after renovations, which we're turning this entire little section into a closet that connects into my bedroom. Okay, this is how this bedroom looks like. It's very messy because this is basically storage, but the door is gonna be over there, and this entire room is gonna be mine, and then my closet is gonna be over here, but we're opening that closet to be this entire space. You see this bedroom here? Nobody lives in it. We're actually gonna break down this wall, and this entire room is gonna be an open area. Hopefully that wasn't too hard to understand. This room is no longer gonna be a room. It's just gonna be like an extra living room. So you're gonna walk all the way down. Envision this. At the end of this room, there's gonna be a door that's gonna enter into my bedroom. See that? I'm taking this bedroom, but we're gonna build a wall here and the new door is gonna be over there. Don't worry guys, it'll all make sense one day, just not right now. Hey guys, I am so sorry because it is literally Wednesday and I've been lacking on this week in my life really bad. Why? Because I've literally been home doing nothing. And then I don't want to film me doing nothing because, okay, I haven't been doing nothing. Like I've been filming content and stuff for like collaborations, but like at the end of the night, I'm like editing. I'm sorry, but the vlog is gonna get more interesting. But today is Wednesday and I just filmed content. I filmed this video yesterday and tell me why. I really hated how it turned out. I didn't know I hated it. By the time I figured out I hated the video, it was 4 p.m. and then I had to refilm it. It's confusing, but I had to refilm a video. Anyways, I swear the vlog will get more interesting. Do you guys like my hat though? Lip hop, thank you. Also, here's the aftermath. I don't want to clean this up. I look cute though. It's so hard being so cute. Like I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Today is December 15th, so Vlogmas day 15. Isn't that crazy? Christmas is literally in 10 days. I feel like this vlog has been really boring and it's mostly because I've been a little busy and I don't want to vlog that stuff. Like me creating content and stuff, like I feel like that's boring. But today I finally finished all the content I had to create and stuff over the past few days. Today is Thursday. Today I'm gonna go take pictures with Char. Here's my outfit. OOTD. The fluffy stuff from Lip Hop, dresses from Pretty Little Thing, cannot speak. I'm wearing these like leg warmers and shoes from Shein. So yeah, that's my outfit, but I feel like I'm gonna get really cute pictures. Like look at me, how could I not? But today I'm gonna go watch Avatar with my family after me and Char go take pictures. So I actually woke up very early today. I woke up at 8:30. Me? 8:30? I don't even know who I am anymore. Recently I've been feeling very motivated like for social media and stuff, so that's why, you know, I'm doing Vlogmas, which if I didn't feel like I was capable, I definitely wouldn't do it. I didn't do it last year. I did do it the year before that. This year I just feel very motivated. I look like a fucking alien. I look freaking sick. These are super cool. I look like I speak a foreign language. Bonjour tout le monde. Tomorrow it is my friend's birthday party, so I'm probably gonna go to that. And then I also have another birthday party to go to on Saturday.
We are not in focus. Okay, now wait.
Hi guys, so I'm with Char now, and
we're on caffeine.
Bruh, we drank too much coffee, and I thought I was gonna die.
She was like fidgeting and like talking stuff. I was like, bitch, the caffeine got you.
The moment you called me out, I was like, yeah, bro, I'm really
Why is she moving so much?
But we're out in the boonies, like where there's like nobody, and we're gonna go take pictures. This is her outfit, guys. She got this from Pretty Little Thing.
Yeah.
And it's like this whole like ski set. It's so cute. I want one, but like in pink. If you guys haven't already, go and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment comments.
Oh my god, so our next video for that one?
I didn't edit it yet.
When is that going out? Cause
I forgot what date we were supposed to do it, but I've been too busy.
Here, just do it on your own time.
Yeah.
And also, I also still need to create shorts for that video, because that video is funny as fuck.
Yeah. Guys, low-key we have a lot on our plate right now. But like us creating our YouTube channel again was kind of like, it was kind of stupid but like genius at the same time, because it's like genius because it's like, yeah, more content, but stupid because it's more content, so more work. We're over here taking care of our like own channels or like our Instagrams, or like Char's traveling a lot, and trying to maintain a fucking YouTube channel, like another one.
Yeah, I told people on my Instagram, I was like, basically right now I have like 3 jobs, and that's maintaining my own channel, editing for somebody else, and then editing for our channel every other week or whatever our schedule is. And then on top of that, like we're thinking about like trying to grow a lot more, so that means creating not just long form content but short form content too.
Yeah. Anyways guys, my latest addiction are Sour Patches. I really like the blue ones. I literally ate all my mom's Sour Patches except for the yellow and orange ones.
Anyways guys, I'm having a brain fart.
I'm kind of scared to go take pictures because guys, it is straight snowing outside and we're in a dress. I'm caffeined up, but look guys, so pretty.
Guys, I'm not wearing any pants under here.
She got no pants under there. Them hose is tight.
Yeah.
We're on a journey, guys.
Oh my god.
We're gonna die. We're on a journey, guys. I went through the 7 levels of the candy cane forest. Look at us, guys. This is commitment. Wow, it's beautiful. Guys, I low-key like Minnesota now. For right now. What we do for content, guys.
My finger is cold.
Okay, I think that's a good spot. gonna have some dinner. Hello, Mom. Hey, looks good. We are at China Chef. We just got done watching Avatar and I was crying so much. That movie's so good. 10 out of 10. What do you think, Mom? How was Avatar out of 10?
Probably like an 8.
Absolutely not. How about you, Vincent?
A 6.
6?
What?
I think your eyes are broken.
I liked it. 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Good morning! Good morning! Today is my friend Lena's birthday party, so I'm gonna be getting ready for that. Chloe woke up in a very jolly, crusty ass mood. She's a little hyper this morning, but that party is at 6 and it is noon right now, so I'm just gonna get ready and then I'm gonna edit this YouTube video. But this week has been so boring, guys. I'm so sorry. Like, I really put zero effort in this video, like in making it aesthetic. It's okay because we're doing Vlogmas and I cannot put my all 100 in video effects in every single video. This is a Y2K party, so I just have to dress like I do every day. Just kidding. Y'all know I look crusty most of the time.
Even at 3 in the morning, but we're just friends always. Said it really ain't crossed my mind. Crossed my mind. Maybe these nights on the phone are just as far as it's going. Guess it really ain't crossed my mind. Crossed my mind. I could be wasting a day with you unless you found with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything